people try to give me all the credit, and I didn't do anything. Jordan did all the work. The satisfying part to me is that I was the one that got to stand up for him. I couldn't be more proud of an individual with the experience that I have in child welfare, especially with recovery and addiction issues. And that's why I wanted to give Jordan an opportunity to share his story, because if you do the work, you can get the results.
When I was incarcerated, when I got out, the day I got out, I went to a meeting the first day, and it took a lot of humbling and a lot of personal growth to take myself there. Going to meetings and then following the steps and putting God first and keeping your side of the street clean, making amends when you can. These things are just so important. If you ever had a substance abuse problem, it was a long fight, and it's a day at a time, and you have to stay true to it. But if you stay in the recovery community and you stay with a sponsor and you work the program and you do the steps, like myself, that's the only reason I'm here today. 3 years later, have my son at Universal last weekend, have my real estate license back, have a sales roofing career, have a lot of things that I lost that I never thought I'd be able to see again. I would recommend the Chesnutt Law Firm to pretty much anyone who would listen to me. Susan Chesnutt and her team, what they did for me, I could cry right now. I can't put into words how far they took it and how much they went above and beyond. The outcome of my case was basically everything I wanted. A step-up program back in my child's life, therapy with the right therapist. I now am having overnights with my child. So everything went, the way God's plan was and the way Susan said it would be.
I form a personal relationship with every client who will allow me to form that relationship with them. And I have seen, since my case with Jordan ended, videos and photos of him with his family and what it means to them to have their family back together. And I'm just incredibly proud of the amount of work that it takes to achieve that goal. And I want everyone to know that it is possible, and if you do the work, then you go to the attorney that can get the job done for you, you will get your children back.